What makes SNP powerful is the future. The reality is that not integrating things that we know are effective, you're just going to be behind on what's being used by everyone else. Hi, my name is Yoni or Banayan. I work nationally and globally with mental health providers and individuals, as well as institutions who complex mental health issues, treatment resistant clients that want a solution and want a breakthrough. Initially, when I started off with researching into nutrigenomics, I was skeptical. Everyone says they have the cure or the vitamin, and I'm generally very reluctant to go down those paths. I had some clients who were struggling with depression, and the methods and everything we used did not resolve it. And we have over 90% success rates. So it definitely got to me like, what is going on here that suddenly unable to help people with depression? So nutrigenomics was something that I actually wish I would have found it sooner, because this is a client that really would have been able to have massive changes in their life by looking at their genes. What drew me is I was looking for something more effective for our clients. Something I found very helpful and I was unexpected was the SNP DNA results. When I can look at the genes, I can look at pervasive patterns that are going on, and it'll inform not just my nutritional suggestions and, let's say, using SNP, but also practical interventions I can do to intervene and to compensate for maybe a mind with a disposition towards obsessive thinking or a mind that's quicker. So I can use that test to actually assess someone's genetic disposition and then use interventions to mine those gaps. Their genes tell you a lot, their genetic microbiome most likely looks like. So that means we can do targeted microbiome adjustments. The exact variation or strain can be introduced to the body, reducing stomach issues, gastro issues, and the guessing game. We can go straight to the right microbiome and put that one right in their gut, and their results will be even quicker. What I like about SNP's formula, it's just, if you look at everything you need to take, everything that would optimize your genes, to individually take all of those can be a real hassle to do that. Having that all consolidated in one form is really powerful for just a place of client compliance, people following through and doing it. And then on a practical level, what I'm seeing with time and time again is improvements and health markers. Struggling with sleep issues, seeing some of that go away. They're struggling with inflammation. I'm seeing reports of lower inflammation or pain. If they're struggling with mental health struggles, they're also reporting benefits. I found overall it really, really outdoes what it says it will. What makes them special for me is the fact that they put that all in one bottle, that they take things that cost a lot to get a high quality product and to verify it, try it out, and actually get the results. And to do all of that, test it all for you, and make your personal formula in a bottle you can walk home with is really impressive. It requires so many different dimensions and conceptualizations of the same issue to really get to the root of it. SNP offers a solution to plug one of those many holes. We could do all the breath practice and nutritional and psychological aspects and all dimensions of wellness. But this just cuts right to the heart of the genes. It's such a direct approach. There's something about it that's so simple and clean in its approach, in that it's straight to your genes, and then you just take it from there. Time and time again, people just find difference in their mood, in their physical health, and energy levels overall. I really can't speak highly enough about SNP. I found SNP to really, really offer results in a way that is so effortless from the clinician standpoint. And it gives you so much information about your client. You have so much knowledge. They get results in areas that I couldn't claim to give results in just a few years ago. So it's really effective. If you're going to work with clients and you want to tout success, SNP is really going to help you get there in a way that's unparalleled to typical nutritional advice. If you want to show up and give results and stand behind your product, stand behind what you do to help your clients, this is really going to help you and the people you help.